Good afternoon, everyone. It's Justin here at MarineMax, and we're in Wakefield today. Today we're on a 2026 Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless with a single Mercury 300 on the back. The engine is running right now. Can you notice how quiet it is as we're talking? And we're just at idle and drifting. A few features that I want to talk about here in the aft. This huge swim platform slash fishing platform. It's great because you have rod holders on both sides. You can then, if you're not using it for fishing, easily flip this seat up as this one is and flip the backrest up and snap on the cushion, and you have what we have here, which is a beautiful seat. Boston Whaler has taken the idea here and putting two magnets, 4 magnets under each seat, so when you drop it, it stays. Two clips underneath, take it off for quick storage while you are putting the seat underway as such. And now you have a fishing platform, or if you're out with your family, a swim platform. You notice the two cup holders on either side of the seat. This is very convenient. It is a live well. You can take the live well and you can convert it if you're not fishing and put ice on it. It is self-bailing and it is insulated, and you can put your beverages on the on ice in here as you're sitting and underway. Nice and easy access to grab. This boat does come equipped with a fresh water system. This is a fresh water washdown. When you get in from a great day of boating, you can easily rinse off the back deck here, the floor, and the engine if need be, or yourself if you took a swim and you want to get the sand off your feet before you climb back into the boat. As we move on forward to the helm, you have this wonderful seat, bench seat. You have two people that can sit on this bench seat. The bench seat also converts into a leaning post while underway. You can see it's got a beautiful Simrad screen, which is a multifunctional device showing you speed, showing you depth of where you are, along with all of your engine data. You also have a Mercury vessel view, which is all your engine data. You have a JL audio system, as you can see, and this system does bump. It's a pretty loud system. You have your VHF radio, a lockable glove box to put your valuables. If you're docking somewhere and you want to go eat, you can lock up your valuables and go eat. As we continue to move forward, you'll see beautiful handrails, nice easy access all the way around. You have this extra large lounge seat. On this lounge seat, if you can imagine, you can fit two people comfortably while underway, and you shaded from the top. Nice, easy, comfort, relaxation here. You can easily lift up both of these armrests, and underneath this lounge is a huge storage area. In this area, you can store just about anything you need while you're underway. It does have a step down. A great feature, what these bungee cords are for, and what has access, which we'll show you in a minute, is you can store your rods into the head. So your fishing rods can be locked and stored on the boat. You don't have to take them with you every time you leave the boat if you are an avid fisherman. Moving up to the bow here, as you can see, what a great layout. It's got these two backrests that easily deploy and fold down flat. So with the backrest up, as I step up here, I'm going to sit down. And if you were sitting right on the side, I have a nice cup holder right here. I have two more cup holders here. It does come equipped with the split bow rail. I can easily relax sitting here while underway. This table is great. This is a quick release, and it stores, the tabletop does store underneath. These will fold back down. You're able to remove the cushions and store them underneath or in the head for when not in use, is what I wanted to say. And then this is a great platform and another self-bailing insulated box. Again, you can fill this with ice and it will self-bail and put your beverages or anything that you need to stay cold in that underway. As we're going to come around, I'm going to show you the head. You walk with me around. 25 Dauntless. You open this door all the way up and you come on around and you'll see you have a head installed in a 25-foot Boston Whaler Dauntless. It's nice because you can put your ride holders, as we talked about. Your key to turn all your power on is up against the wall here. And that's also a great storage area to store all your cushions, as we talked about, and your stuff, which is lockable when leaving the boat. I'm going to close this up here. So that's our walkthrough of a 25 Dauntless here at 362 Pond Street in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Come on down, come visit us. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We look forward to seeing you. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.